Think you know everything about your smartphone? Think again. Today we're diving into powerful features hidden in plain sight, features that can save you time, boost performance, and even protect your privacy. Let's unlock your phone's full potential. 1. Back tap iOS and some Androids. With back tap, a simple double or triple tap on the back of your phone can trigger actions like taking a screenshot, launching an app, or turning on the flashlight. On iPhone, find it under Accessibility, Touch Back Tap. On Android, look under Quick Tap and Gesture settings if supported. You can even assign shortcuts like launching your camera or silencing calls. 2. One-handed mode. Ever struggle to reach the top of your screen? One-handed mode makes navigation easier. On iPhone, just swipe down on the bottom edge. On Android, go to Settings, System, Gestures, One-handed mode. Some phones also let you customize gesture sensitivity. Game changer for big phones. 3. Private DNS and secure browsing. Did you know you can improve your privacy just by changing one setting? Use private DNS, like Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1, to encrypt browsing and avoid tracking. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Private DNS. iPhones do this automatically with iCloud Plus, Private Relay. Bonus tip, use DuckDuckGo or Brave Browser for enhanced tracking protection. 4th, App Permissions Dashboard. Your phone keeps a log of what apps accessed your mic, location, or camera, and when. On Android 12 Plus, use the Privacy Dashboard. On iOS, visit Settings, Privacy. You can even get notifications when an app uses your mic or camera in the background. Revoke any shady access right away. 5. Digital well-being. Want to control phone addiction? Use digital well-being tools. Set app timers, enable focus mode, and get daily reports on usage. For iPhones, it's called Screen Time. Use downtime mode to disable all apps except essential ones for better sleep. 6th, text scanner in camera. No more typing out text from paper. Your phone camera can scan and copy printed words. iPhones have live text. Androids use Google Lens. You can also translate text, copy it to your clipboard, or even search it instantly online. 7. NFC tricks. NFC isn't just for payments. You can trigger smart actions using NFC tags, like turning on Wi-Fi or opening a playlist when you tap a tag on your desk or car. Try apps like NFC tools to customize the experience. Use them for business cards, smart home commands, or even setting up guest Wi-Fi. 8. Hidden developer tools. Want faster animations or to simulate GPS for testing? Unlock developer options by tapping build number 7 times. Reduce animation scale for snappier transitions, or enable USB debugging for advanced control. There's even an option to force dark mode in apps that don't support it. 9. Wi-Fi QR sharing. No more typing Wi-Fi passwords, just generate a QR code. On Android, tap the network in settings and hit Share. On iPhone, go to the connected Wi-Fi, then use third-party apps or shortcuts to create a QR, a super convenient way to let guests connect quickly. 10. Emergency SOS. This could save your life. Press the power button multiple times to call emergency services and alert your contacts. Set it up under emergency settings. You can also store medical info and emergency contacts accessible from the lock screen. 11th, voice access and assistive features. Whether you need accessibility tools or hands-free control, voice access can help. Android has voice access, while iOS users can try voice control. Control your phone by speaking commands like scroll down, open messages, or tap back. Perfect for multitaskers or those with limited mobility. 12th, clipboard history. Ever copied something and lost it? Use clipboard history to recover it. On Android, Gboard has a built-in clipboard manager. Enable it in Gboard settings. On iPhone, you can use third-party clipboard apps like Paste. 13. Scheduled messaging. Wish you could send a birthday text tomorrow, but remember today? Scheduled messaging is your friend. On Android's Messages app, press and hold the send button to schedule a text. iPhones need third-party apps like Shortcuts or Scheduled. 14. App pinning and guest mode. Lending your phone to someone? Use app pinning so they can't snoop around. Enable it in security settings. Or activate guest mode for a whole new clean profile. Super helpful for sharing your device without sharing your info. 15. Battery health and charging tips. Want your battery to last longer? Check battery health. iPhones have it under Settings, Battery Health. On Android, use apps like AccuBattery. Also, enable optimized charging to prevent overcharging at night, a small tweak that extends battery life. 16. Smart lock and trusted devices. Always typing your PIN at home? With Smart Lock on Android, you can keep your phone unlocked in trusted locations or when connected to trusted devices like your smartwatch or car. Go to Settings, Security, Smart Lock. Set it to stay unlocked when you're home or wearing a fitness tracker. It's convenience without sacrificing security. 17. Advanced screenshot tools. Taking screenshots is old news. But did you know your phone can capture entire web pages or chat threads? On Android, after taking a screenshot, tap Capture More or scroll. On iPhone, Safari lets you save full pages as PDFs. Both systems let you mark up or crop instantly. Super useful for work, research, or memes. 18. Custom vibration patterns. Want to know who's calling without even looking? Set custom vibration patterns. On iPhone, go to Contacts, Edit, Ringtone, Vibration. Tap Create New Vibration. On Android, it depends on your phone model, but check Contact Settings or Notification Settings. It's perfect for silent mode. 19. Built-in document scanner. No need for a scanner anymore. On iPhone, open the Notes app, tap the camera icon and choose Scan Documents. On Android, Google Drive has a built-in scanner when you tap the plus button. Save receipts, paperwork, and forms in seconds. And it even auto-crops and enhances for readability. 20. Hidden camera mode. Your camera app hides some serious power. Explore hidden modes like Pro Mode for DSLR-like controls, Night Mode for low-light shots, and even slow motion and time-lapse. Android users might also find manual focus, white balance, and RAW format options. Perfect for leveling up your photo game. 21. Lockdown mode, privacy emergency mode. When you're in a situation where privacy is critical, like traveling or under duress, lockdown mode disables biometrics, Face ID, fingerprint, and notifications on the lock screen. On Android, hold power and tap lockdown. On iPhone, triple-click the side button if it's set up under accessibility. Side button, essential for maximum security. 22nd, sound recognition. Your phone can listen for sounds like a doorbell, baby crying, or even running water, and notify you instantly. On iPhone, go to Accessibility, Sound Recognition. On Android, use apps like Sound Notifications in the Live Transcribe and Sound Notification Suite. Great for those with hearing impairments or when wearing headphones. 23rd, quick notes with stylus, your finger. Jot down notes without unlocking your phone. On Samsung, remove the S Pen and write on the black screen, screen off memo. On iPhone, iPad, tap the screen with the Apple Pencil. Some Android phones also support stylus-based or quick access notes from the lock screen using gesture shortcuts. 24th, auto captions for any media. Whether you're watching a video or listening to a podcast, Live Caption can generate on-screen text instantly. On Android, go to Settings, Accessibility, Live Caption. On iPhones, Accessibility, Subtitles and Captioning. Ideal for quiet environments or if you're hard of hearing. 25. Shake to undo, iOS or gesture shortcuts, Android. Made a mistake while typing? Just shake your iPhone to undo. Not into shaking? Go to Settings, Accessibility, touch and toggle it off. On Android, many phones have gesture shortcuts, like 3-finger swipes for screenshots or double knuckle taps to record screen. found under Advanced Gestures and Settings. Your phone is packed with tools to make your life easier, if you know where to find them. Which feature will you try today? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tech tips every week. See you next time.